episode of Mommy See Star. So I've got a fun one for us today. I made a post on Reddit on one of the bird groups and I said, send me a picture of your bird and I'll either draw it really well or I'll draw it really badly. And so the pictures are coming in and I did a couple of the bad drawings so far and they're pretty funny, I think. This bird is an African gray and he says bring it, and then this one has a blank stare and he says bring what? So I'm actually going to paint the African gray now and do a hopefully a well done painting of him. So here's the post I made over on Reddit, and it's got a pretty good amount of attention. So I said I would draw their birds either really good or really badly. And I've just been drawing birds all day and painting them in between taking care of my daughter. This one, I had done this one before, but they sent me a picture again of this one. They call it the red chicken. So today I drew a cartoon version of a rainbow chicken that just had a bath. It's watering the little flower. That was, and then of course I showed you these two. And this one, oh my gosh, it was a picture of the bird laying down on the owner, and I just noticed this bird has like tons of nose hairs, so I wrote, no, I don't need nose clippers, I'm awesome. And now I'm gonna continue working on this one, which is this more serious painting. There he is. Now you can see all the scalloped feathers. African grays. At first glance, they look just plain gray, but then you see all those intricate scalloped feathers. They're really lovely birds, and they're the world's best talking animals. They can remember so many words and sentences. They're very, very smart. You can see it in his face. It's day 1 of painting this guy, but it's day 3 of the parrot project. So let's paint this budgie right here. It's the subtle ones that are the most work. I like him. He's cute. He looks pretty relaxed and happy. a project this diverse, and it's been really fun. It was a collection of very good or very badly done artwork, and basically what I really did was I did some caricatures to bring out the expressions of the birds. This guy is doing some acrobatics. This one is really fun, the seed monster. Look at him, how he's like just really into eating all that seed. So I did that one, and that actually helped me as a study for this one, the African gray. That's actually copied from the photograph. And then the budgie, this guy with the nose hairs. So I really enjoyed this. I have some more to do from this collection, which I will do, but I think I will take a break before I continue, because this was a lot of work in the last few days. So much fun. Birds are all so different and very expressive.